Okay, so about 4 hours of work by myself in a small garage. This is what I started with. I showed y'all the before pictures of the floor. Now I'm gonna show y'all guys what I got now to work with. 1970 Volkswagen Beetle floor pans, finished, completed. I'm sorry, not completed, but in, bolted up, ready for phase 2. That's the heater channel. Now remember everybody, I've never done this before in my life. Never. Now I'm gonna call myself a 10 out of 10 mechanic, but this is not mechanic work, this is Volkswagen work. I got it all scuffed up and ready to weld. Nice. And this is my garage I'm working in. Lift the car up, work underneath. Some other tools. It's a little messy, but it's gonna get better.